Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix iPhone overheating issue. So guys, let's get started this video without wasting in time. So guys, first of all, close unnecessary apps, go to multitasking screen and close apps that are running in the background. So close all the apps here. So after this, the next solution is turn off the location services. Go to settings, scroll down, tap on privacy and security, tap on location services and turn it off here. So after this, the next solution is lower your screen brightness. So for this, go to settings and tap on display and brightness here and lower your brightness on your iPhone. So after this, the next solution is clear your browser history, and cache to free up memory. So for this, open settings, scroll down, tap on Safari here and clear browsing history. So after this, the next solution is turn off background app refresh. So for this, go to settings, tap on general, tap on background app refresh and turn it off. So after this, the next solution is restart your iPhone. So for the restart iPhone, tap on power button and volume up at the same time. So drag the slider to restart your iPhone. So after restarting your iPhone, the next solution is remove the case. If your iPhone is in a case, remove it to allow more airflow around the device. So after this, the next solution is update your iPhone to the latest iOS. So for this, open settings, tap on general, tap on software update. So wait for checking for update. So guys, if you haven't updated your iPhone to the latest iOS version, so update your iPhone to the latest next iOS version if it is available on your iPhone. So I have the latest version on my iPhone. So guys, if none of the above steps work, contact Apple Support or take your iPhone to an authorized repair center for further assistance. So guys, thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you guys. See you in the next video. Thank you.